So hi and welcome back to matt2php.com, learning PHP with Matt. And we left off in the previous tutorial about making the registration form. So we counted if we have the same user, and so we now need to make the same if. Let's make it here. If user equals to 0. So if no such user with such username exists, else if his exists. User exists equals such user name already taken. So user exists and echo it out next to username. Here. So if user doesn't exist, so we need to insert this user and start a session with this username, or make him choose to log in himself. I suggest we just create this user. So then we do it like this: MySQL query insert into users values. I remember we had like 5 values. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have 4 values. The less the better. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we don't need to add ID in it because ID is auto increment. We need to username, user password, user type. Username, user password, user type. So username is uname. Password will be pass. And type is default user. It's okay. So now we have a success, and we should echo a success letter. Success equals you have successfully registered here. You can now log in. Okay, and success message we will display on the top of the form. Okay, and we use green letters like font color equals green, and let's set size equals 4. Okay, so let's try to register a new user, and okay, let's see how does it looks. Let's try to register a new user. My new user will be matt2web password 1, 2, 3. So it says write in your password, although it shouldn't care about it. matt2web 1, 2, 3. So maybe the post password is wrong, write it wrongly. So type pass. Mm-hmm. I will find the error and then I will just continue this tutorial. Although I realized that the splits up, we need to enter it in a table. So I will come back and do a table for this because here also is not correctly and not in line. So I'll be back in short. So I will suggest that if you try to check for errors, then you write these out straight after the post. Post information. So sorry, not here. Okay, so let's see whether this. Okay, so I need to upload it also. Whether the password is correct posted, or is there a problem with the if function. So let's refresh the page. So matt2web 123. So as you can see now, it echoes out matt2web as the username, but it doesn't echo out the password. So there's a problem with the password form, and I will check it and then I will write post. Right. So I found the problem is that this form doesn't have a closing tag. So what does this mean? The form starts here and it doesn't end. This causes this form starts here and doesn't end, and it ends till this form here. So this causes that this password is empty, and it thinks the password is empty because this password is empty left. So we need to just change back. I wrote these few features here. We can just delete them and delete this also because I know it will work. And we just need to close the form tag. Okay, so now it should work, and let's just see how it does. So matt2web 123, register now. Such username already taken. So the system knows that this username is already taken. The thing is, this doesn't look very polite here, and maybe we could echo it out on the top of this form. So, but this is a design issue. I don't think it's very important now in this tutorial because you can post it wherever you like. We just test the basics of this. So let's matt2php, the password 123. You are successfully logged in. Okay, great. The thing is, if information is posted wrong, like I don't know, like matt123. Okay, the problem is now that it doesn't record the users inside. So let's check. Oh no, it does. I just wrote it wrong. 1, 2, 3. Such username already taken. The thing is, to after posting the form, to have the value inside. I don't think we should post and receive the password, but we should receive this information set, and also we need to write retype your password. But I don't think that's very important in this tutorial. To recover the post, we need to just write value equals post name, and this will recover the name posted before. So click refresh, and it has matt2web already posted. And matt2web2, for example, and password 123. You have successfully logged in. So matt2 and 123 logged in. Welcome matt2web. Okay, let's go on home. Welcome matt2web. So we are logged in now, and we have this web page registration and everything working. So the thing is, many spam bots are working around the internet. So if you want to use a nice registration form, you also need to include, like, I don't know, some hidden, like 1 plus 1 equals an other form. So and then add it an if function. So if it's okay, then only register. But I don't think in small blogs that's a big problem because there are no spam bots finding your web page. But for now, I think this is it for this tutorial. And our next tutorial, I think we will need to make a file upload, video post, picture upload, and profile information, edit profile information. So if you have any questions, you can write me. I think on this page I will make a message form so you can chat with each another. So in any way, you can write me on Skype. My Skype name is matt2_15, and you just write me there if you need something. And good luck. Thank you for